Alright, today we're going to change an alternator on a 1980 Chevy. And what happened was the suicide light was going on and the battery wasn't right. I'll explain it as I go. But an old Chevy like this, the first thing you're going to do is disconnect the negative battery cable. So just for the heck of it, before we go changing it, we're going to see how many volts this battery is putting out. And if you zoom in here, it's putting in almost 12.5 volts, 13 volts. So we know the battery's good. We are unhooking the negative battery cable on this. People think that electricity goes from positive to negative, but it don't. It goes from negative to positive. So we're going to hook that right up, loosen it up, and take it off. All right, now we're going to go over here, and we're going to go behind here and take that piece off right there. Nope. Just grab it with your fingers. See, push that in. Yeah, push it in. All right. Now behind here, we got a bolt. We're going to take that off. That's right here. That way. Loosen that up. So now we're going to get that nut off.
This way, right?
Yep, that way. Got to switch it. That bolt off. Pull that bolt out. There it is. Okay, pulling the bolt out. Got to get the fan belt off right there. Now it should come right out of there. One hand, grab that. Uh-oh, let me take this off. Okay, put it up here. Now, turn this upside down. Alright, we got to take this piece off right here. See it? That's that. Now we got the new one. We're putting that piece back on. I'm going to put the other one back in here. Okay. Put that long bolt in. I can't see. Can you see it? Kind of, yeah. And we're going to get the fan belt back on. Got to make sure. There, fan belt's back on. So now we're tightening up the belt, and we just tighten it up like this. We put pressure on it from behind there, and we're good. We got tension on the belt, about 1/4 inch, they say. So we got our bolts tightened here, here. Fan belt is about a 1/4 inch. We got our little thing here and here back in. And he's got to tighten up the and put the negative battery cable back on. All right, we're gonna it's charging. It's 14. Chevys go between 14.8 and 15.2, so that's right in there. It's charging good.